Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the 3D keyer in DaVinci Resolve. First, navigate to the Fusion page and add a 3D keyer node to your node tree. Connect your footage to the 3D keyer's input. Next, use the eyedropper tool to sample a clean area of your green or blue screen. You'll want to select several points to give the keyer a good reference. Then, adjust the threshold and clean black parameters to begin separating your subject from the background, aiming for a solid alpha channel. This initial step is crucial for a successful key. Once you have a basic key, it's time for refinement. Use the clean black and clean white sliders to tighten your matte, pushing the black areas to pure black and white areas to pure white. The matte finesse section offers powerful tools like softness and shrink slash grow to fine-tune edges, making them look natural. Remember to constantly check your alpha channel by pressing it to ensure a clean separation. These adjustments are vital for a professional-looking composite. Spill is a common challenge with green and blue screens. The 3D keyer's dispill function is your best friend here. Increase the dispill amount to neutralize any color contamination reflecting onto your subject. You can also adjust the dispill range to target specific hues. For seamless integration, fine-tune the edge blend and edge softness parameters. A slight blend can help the keyed subject sit more naturally within the new background, preventing harsh cutouts and ensuring a realistic composite. For the final touches, consider adding a garbage mat around your subject to eliminate any unwanted elements outside the screen area. Conversely, a holdout mat can protect parts of your subject that might be accidentally keyed out. To achieve a truly seamless look, consider adding a subtle blur or matching grain to your keyed subject, helping it blend perfectly with the new background. Always work with high-quality footage and in a high bit depth format for the best possible keying results. These steps ensure a polished final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.